they need to report any vulnerabilities that they have. So any computer devices, appliances that you have in your house or in your office or in your company that you want to see if there's any vulnerabilities, this is the database that you want to use to see if there's any vulnerabilities with the systems. It's called cve.mitri.org, okay? So when I come here to Samsung, so basically this is what Samsung is reporting about that vulnerability. Now, if I'm a hacker, I also want to come here to see what are the action steps that Samsung has been taking. And I can come back here and look at the history, basically, of the different issues that they have reported in the history of the service for that particular model. So this website, please keep this in your bookmarks, because if you're looking for vulnerabilities, let's say that you're planning to buy a phone or a computer or a router or a switches or a database, and you want to see, do they have any vulnerabilities? This is where you want to come to check if they have any issues or not. Okay. All right, it's been a lot of information today, that I've been sharing. So with the cve.mitri.org,
You put that in because I couldn't spell Mitri.
oh, let me just put it right here on
Okay.
the chat. It's on the chat section. Sorry, I was thinking that I would share it with the class. I just did not hit the enter key.
So these are unpatched vulnerabilities, or?
No, this is not that they're unpatched. There are vulnerabilities that are being reported, and then they can be patched too.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So if you can see, it's important to understand, where you can do your information gathering, for threat activities. It's important for you to understand where you can monitor what are the different cyber attack maps that you have available, where you can find different vulnerabilities databases. Also important to know what are the government agencies that you have available, like CISA, as I share. So everything that I went through today, I know that you're continuing with your readings, and I know that some of you, are still working on that, and you're going to finish them hopefully between today and tomorrow. You're going to notice that all the information that I share with you today basically is reflected in your ebook. Okay. So what I would like to do in the next 14 minutes, that we have in the class, just want to first, I need to Caitlin, David, and Trinita, I want to share the access keys with you. Jewel, I'm going to give you the phone number for the company so that you can call them. Okay. And then the rest of the class, I just want to make sure that you confirm that you can access the CERT Master Practice Exam, the practice activities, the questions, so that's going to be important, because what I'm planning to do Monday and Wednesday of next week is to start using these tools. Okay. All right. Let me start with Jewel. Let me share with you and actually this is going to be for the class in general. Let me find here the email. 1 second. Let me look here. So what I'm going to share next, if you have any problems with the access keys, let me look right here. Copy and come back here. Okay, if you have any problem with the access keys that I share with you, that's the phone number that I receive basically from CompTIA that the students can call and troubleshoot if there's any problems with your access keys. So you will, if you have any problems with yours, there's a 18866 number there that basically will provide you students technical support directly to students. Okay, but this is for the benefit of the class. I know that you already opened a ticket, but I just want to make sure that you have that phone number. Okay. All right. What I'm going to do next, Caitlin and David and Trinita, I'm going to give you the access keys that you will need. I'm going to send you these access keys individually via the chat. So make sure that you copy them and paste them, okay, on a Word document. So let me open this section right here. Inbox, Cybermaster. Okay, let me maximize this. Perfect. Copy. Let me open a Word document here. So the file that I'm going to be sharing next is more for this student that do not have the access key, because I already shared this file with the class. So this file that I'm going to be sharing now, desktop. This one, open. Okay, could you please confirm, Caitlin and David, that you received the file via chat or no? In the chat.
No.
No?
I
No.
don't
Okay.
see it.
Let me.
Me either.
Okay. What about now?
No.
I received something. It says instructions for using access.
Yep, that's the one that I'm sending. David, did you receive it or no?
I think I got it.
You got it, Caitlin? Did you receive it?
No.
No?
Not in the chat on Zoom, no.
Okay, let me send you individually. Let's see. Not what about now? Oh, sorry. It went to the Caitlin. I sent it to Daryl. Caitlin. Direct message. Okay, I see what is happening, Caitlin. For some reason, everyone else in the class, I can send a file, but when I select your name, I don't have the option. I'm going to send you an email with that.
Okay. Yeah,
Okay.
that's weird.
Yep.
Sorry.
No. I'm going to send you an email. David, did you receive it?
I got the document, the Word document, but there's no product key or anything on it.
No, that's fine. It's the Word document for now. It's the Word document for now. And what about, let me see, Trinita? Trinita, did you receive it?
Yes.
Yes. So, Caitlin, for some reason, yours, I'm going to give you the access key. Don't feel bad. You're going to get the access key. Okay. All right. So, David, let me share with you the access key. 1 second here. 1 second. File, save as. Okay. David. Okay, chat. All right, David, I just sent you the access key. Could you please confirm that you receive it?
I got it.
You got it. Perfect. Okay, and this one is for Trinidad. I just sent it to you. Could you please confirm that you receive it?
Yes, I got it.
Okay, and Caitlin, I'm going to send you your access key. One second. Please confirm that you got it.
Yes, I got the access.
Okay, okay. Copy the access key, and I'm going to send you an email. One second here with the instructions. Price space. Second here. Seconds of master instruction. And let me open here the document. Okay, Caitlin, I just sent you an email with the instructions, so you can have that available. How to you can access them. Okay.
Got it. Thank you.
You got it. Perfect. All right. So I shared the phone number with Jewel, so you have that. Also, I shared the phone number with the class in the case that you have problem. David, you received the instructions with the access key. Tranita, you did the same, and Caitlin, you did the same. So at this point, everyone should have your access keys. Jericho, keep me posted with your access. Just want to make sure that you can access everything. And if you hear from them as well.
I will continue the emailing.
Okay, perfect. Okay, so I want to be very respectful with the time. I know that in 3 minutes we're not going to be able to do the articles and the discussion. We're going to do that on the Monday night class. So I'm going to set some time so that we can do it. As you can see, it was a lot of information that I was sharing. Now, starting next week, we're going to be getting more hands-on practice. Okay, now that everyone have the access keys, so we're going to be using more the portal, and more activities are going to be conducted directly from there. I just want to make sure that everyone have that in place. Okay, David, if you can stay for like 1 or 2 minutes after I dismiss the class, I would like to have a quick conversation with you, just to make sure that we're on the same page of what you need to do. Okay. So I want to again say thank you to everyone for your participation. It's a lot of material. Please continue with your reading. Now starting on week number next week, it's going to be our week number 3. Can you imagine week number 3? Times fly. So next week, so we're going to start working with the portal, and we're going to spending more time on that. So reading is essential. It is important for all of you to continue. Okay. So thank you for your participation. Thank you for your time. Please.
I have a question.
Yes.
Okay, because I hear when you during the class you were emphasizing on having a not using your machine for like some of the sites and stuff. So the portal and stuff you'll be teaching us with, are we supposed to look for another machine for that, or is good with our?
No, if you're referring to the portal, that portal is on a basically developing environment. It's a cloud base that is secure for you. It's not going to be touching your device at no point.
Okay.
Yes, I was saying if you go to the dark web to download activities, please don't use your personal computer for that. No, but the exercises that you're going to be using, they're going to be using a portal that is in the cloud, and it would require no software to be installed locally in your device. Good question, Alan. Good question. That will give you the peace of mind on that. Okay. Right. Any other questions before I dismiss the class?
Yeah, you gave us the link for Cert Master, but did you give us one for CompTIA Lab yet? The access keys, but I didn't get the link for CompTIA Lab.
There were three links that I
Right.
share. Do you receive that? Do you receive the 3 links?
Not for the last one, CompTIA Lab.
Okay, I will look on my records and I will email it to you.
But I have the access key, just not the URL. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Good. Good. All right. So please enjoy, the rest of the Saturday. Continue with your readings on Monday. We're going to discuss the articles. I'm going to give you some time for that, and then we're going to continue with lesson number 3, and we're going to be now testing the portals. Monday we're going to spend time on the portal. Okay. All right. Thank you all. And enjoy the rest of the Saturday. David, if you can stay, for a few minutes, that would be great.
Have a great weekend, everyone.
Have a great weekend.
Everyone, thank you.
Thanks. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Can you give me just 30 seconds? Because I got a delivery I got to sign for right at today.
No problem.
I'll be right back.
Thanks.
I had a quick question in regards to the 2B chapter, right?
Yes.
Okay, just to be clear. Okay, because there was like a bit of a mix-up, and where you have to like upload the presentation, and it has like the same description as the discussion. So I was a bit confused there, but yeah, I mean, I had it like finished. I was just kind of wondering about that.
Okay, you can upload it, into the.
Yeah, I'll do
Yep.
that.
Okay.
Have a good weekend.
You too. Thanks. Bye-bye.
Sorry about that.
No problem.
I
All right.
actually sent an email to you yesterday. I thought I replied, but I see now it's still sitting in my drafts.
Okay.
Because I was going to try to figure out. I was able to get access to everything. Well, mostly everything. But now we're talking about the security key, that piece of information I was missing.
Yes.
And I wasn't really quite sure what you wanted me to do in terms of like going back over.
So what I would like you to do, you have access to Brightspace, right?
Yes.
Okay, so download the class syllabus. Okay, and in the class syllabus, make sure that you get familiar of what we're planning to do for the next weeks. Make sure that you download the ebook. It's also there. Download the ebook. You need to read chapter number 1, chapter number 2. That's where we at. So next week we're starting with chapter number 3.
Okay.
Okay, and then every week we're going to divide the class in groups, and we're going to have a discussion for articles and group activities. So just want to share those details with you so that you're familiar of where you are. So basically, you just need to complete chapter number 1, chapter number 2, and then on week number 3, then I'm going to basically assign you the articles so you can start working with.
Okay. So on Monday, with what we'll be moving forward with, that's going to be a recap of chapter 2, or is that what we just did? That's what I was trying to figure out.
Yeah, that's chapter 2. What I just did was chapter 2. Now
Okay.
Monday I'm going to start with chapter number 3.
Okay, so technically, to be completely current, I should catch up on chapter 1 and 2 and start with 3, right?
That's correct. That's
Okay.
correct. That's
Okay.
correct. So if you can do the reading today and tomorrow between chapter 1 and chapter 2, that would be great.
I'll definitely get that part done. And then as far as like, I didn't know how it went with, I mean, I know I missed the mark with the instructions and all that stuff, but I did see the discussions on that, but I was like, nobody's going to go back and read that for like 2 weeks behind. So I wasn't quite sure if
No, do your introduction because it's part of the networking activities.
Okay.
Do your introduction.
Okay, and you still want me to go? I know that we were supposed to reply. And I just want to make sure that I'm understanding the syllabus before I let you go. So I know that like for participation, we make our remarks on whatever the topic is, and then we respond at least to 2 of the classmates posts, right?
That's correct.
Okay. Then I think that was it, because I had the syllabus open this entire time. But
Yeah.
I just wanted to make sure I was okay. Okay.
Yep. All right.
Yeah, I think I'm good. Well, let me just make sure.
You're good. So I just want to say again, welcome to the class. You know, I hope that you
Remember you. So you probably don't remember me, but I for some medical reasons I had to drop the course, but I believe it was the Harold Washington course was maybe the first one, or maybe like 2018.
Yeah.
I think you had a little bit of hair.
Yeah, I lost my hair.
Yeah, we were going into class. I'm like, oh, I remembered your name when I saw the syllabus. I'm like, I wonder if it's the same professor in this. So it's good to see that you are. So that was
Yep. Good. All right.
Okay. Yeah. If I have any other questions or anything, I can reach out to you via email.
Yes. Perfect. Okay. All right. Enjoy the weekend.
You too. Take care. Be cool. It's hot.
Yes. Thanks. Bye-bye.